Hey, what is up beautiful people? So in today's video, I'm gonna service my car here at Dreamview Center and also gonna give you guys an update on the car that I'm building. It's been a while since I come here because I didn't manage to set a time to come here. Nonetheless, in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys an update and also at the same time service my car here at Dreamview Center. So if you need any service, make sure to hit them up. They'll give you a better price. Let them know that you're coming from my video. Hi, 可以 update 我们 so far 有什么 progress 啊？
so far 整个 wiring 这个要做好，那个要换掉，到时有的 cable 不够长的接过去。then 下 radiator 接好什么应该都不久了，可以 start 了啦。还有剩一个我们的边，都没在一个别件。then yeah basically 还有拉 fuel line 跟 fuel pump。
OK。
还有一个 gas pump， gas pump 还等着东西来。还有这个油线。
是这个能够用吗？
那不能够用。加油！
那你是要找
用 K70。
OK， 然后那些油的 line 也是要换全部的呀。
油的 line 可能换一条。
OK。
一条是大条的，这个它的 original 的 return 还会比较小条一点点。So 那边 modify 啦。Other than that, should be game 了啦。
Okay. So yeah, that is basically the update. Right now, mainly the wiring, and also my friend is also trying to help me to rebuild this alternator. Also, the drive shaft is also in. They have to custom make it. Also, my friend said that he managed to throw all the unnecessary wire away because some of the wiring is not in use. So yeah, this is how much of a wire that we have to throw. Right here we got the EXN fully syn Molly Racing and also EXN ATF for my transmission, and also directly changed the spark plug. This one is I think they call it the 3 plug. I'm trying the best of the best. Yeah, I'm treating her the best that I can. Make sure to take care of her. So right now we are also changing the auto transmission oil, and this is the filter. I think my friend suggested me to change a new one. So right now they are trying to source out a new one for my car. Good. So guys, now I'm back home and my car is done service. Overall I must say I'm really satisfied. This is the engine oil that I use, fully synthetic from EXN. Initially I wanted to use the Valvoline VR1, but they do not have stock, so I just gotta use this. Since I'm daily driving this car right now, so I think it's a good choice to go for fully syn. So guys, if you watch until the end of the video, as usual, I'm gonna ask you to please like this video and also hit that subscribe button down for me. My car videos, I'm just gonna try to do more of this. Nonetheless, I hope you guys stay safe. Of course, if you haven't serviced your car, please go service your car because it is important. And if you do not know where to service, of course, I'm gonna plug my friend's shop, Dream Center. I'll leave their Facebook link down below so you can always contact them. And there's also a direction using Google Map to go there. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.